My country people, una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, depending on where you watch this video from or when you take come across this video. My name is Igminovia Osamojame, and I dey report for Edo CBC. Today I deal with one Oga for site. Oga, good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Oga, if you take on your name and your work.
My name is Nelson Alau.
Okay.
I'm into installation of water collector.
Okay. Now water collector, now you they do.
Yes.
Okay. Oga, if you take on waiting this water collector they do for us.
One of the major reasons of this water collector is purpose is that it prevents water from splashing the paint away from the building. That is one. Secondly, it prevents holes from the floor. Like when rain they fall,
yes,
you call it digo, they prevent them. Thirdly, they bring the maturity of the house come out. So it adds beauty to the house. That is it.
Okay, this one now, first you say they prevent splashing. That means if you put this one for us now, water not go to enter this wall again.
Yes, water not go the force of the water they come out from the roof will not be splashing on the, it won't remove the paint.
Okay.
Yes.
Then those times where rain for the first sometimes you see say ground whole good day. You know can't be like that again.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. My country people, this na New Year. So this one is one very good thing where Edo CBC bring to Una this year. Okay. Well, yeah, come explain some of the things where you get for here, give country people, so that me therefore know some of the things where they in case of those we want to do.
Okay. I see as a point of view, we have gutter here, which is the one where they carry the water together. It's called gutter, and they around the house.
Okay.
And there on the channel water, which is the pipe, and here the water they follow. It's called pipe.
Okay.
So the accessory, it has accessory. What they hold on is called clip. Because you can easily see to be both of them there.
Okay.
The where the joint part is called able.
Which one? Touch me people
All these ones. And if you fit some inside, so it's called able.
Okay, you call able.
Yes. So why the one at the top,
yes,
where they join the two gutter together, is called funnel. Yeah.
Okay. Oga, like this side of this house, and how many of this this thing you take bring the water come down?
Like the size of this house.
Yes.
As we take the do now, where the pressure of the water they now we take the drop on. Like this house now, we have about 7 drop in here.
So, okay. The
2 in the back, 1 in the 2 at the side, 1 in the back, 1 at the front, and 3
at the other side.
At the other side.
Okay, now 7 place. Then this water for the drop for this house.
Yes.
Wow.
7 place.
Okay. My country people, this now water collector. Okay, I turn my camera, go this other side. Make country people see the way this other side be. Okay. Another dropping where water for see the drop to the other side.
Yes, that's it.
Okay. My country people, make a show now reach the outside. Gonna see them.
So, and you got an idea on top, so you see so.
Okay.
This one they call an outer.
Okay, this one we did the side, so.
Yes, it's called the angle, the angle joint. So it's normally called outer.
Okay. What about this one?
So the one where they here, the ending of this place, you
yes,
can hardly see it. It's called stopper. And they stop water where they flow from that side to this side. It's called stopper.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we have based on the construction of the building.
Yes.
If you look very well, you see that the way we take this one is sloping down to this one.
Okay, one day up, one day down.
Yeah, one day up.
That means that water where they come from up now. You know, how you go till they enter this other one way down?
Now be the space, so that one slope down And now they make on the entire year.
Wow.
So that's why we have stopper here.
Okay.
Yeah.
My country people, this na water collector man. Just they carry us around the site when you just need finish. So. Okay.
Also, yeah, now stopper still there. So she look very well. Here is the dropping.
Okay.
We do this dropping. As I said earlier, they drop the water based on the pressure, the place where the pressure is, until they drop on.
Okay.
That is it.
Okay, we could go the next side.
You can see there are a lot of stoppers here.
Okay.
That is it. Here now is the gutter angle. So if you look at the roof from the front side, you see the gutters dey here.
Yes.
Yes, that's why we have this dropping here. Secondly, we need to bring it out so that water no would enter
These flowers.
these flowers. So that's why we brought it out.
Okay. Okay. My country people. Okay, we'll come this side.
I still have here the dropping again. So we have about 3 dropping this side. 3 dropping.
Okay. Okay. Like this work now. Now, how not they do? Na per square meter be na how not they do the work?
One length of this gutter, which is the one way day up,
Yes.
is about approximately now is about 4 meter approximately.
Okay.
Okay. So now we now checked the total meter we go enter the house,
Okay.
calculate it with the accessories, and so we take the checker, give
Okay.
price.
Okay. Another thing, what will be the quality of the materials one they use for this house?
Like me, if I want to do all my clients, I dey assure you that I'm using the best material for you. Like as you can see here, we have the off-cut here. So one thing, this material now they use the right braid wheel over here. It's a braid wheel.
Okay.
So everybody within Nigeria knows say braid wheel na better product.
Okay. This one now where you hold for one, so now which one be this?
This one na gutter na they call am.
Okay, now this one now be the one with the up just
Yes,
now.
na
I got
dey
already up.
Na you dey see so.
Okay.
Here na where the water dey enter, where you dey see.
Okay.
So here we have pipe. Na be this one you dey see so. Hose still dey. Till the bring her come down.
Okay. Okay. Now, like this work now, if you want to do one for country people as a bit so surrounding this house, now how much you take do one?
Like exactly this house, my clients feel I do this work for. It's about 270,000 yeah. I to do this house.
270,000.
Yes, with the best material, both labor, transportation, and everything.
Okay, now you go buy everything where you take do one.
Yes.
Okay, my country people, the labor, the materials, and everything where you go take do one. Abi?
Yes.
Okay. Now for the person to just give you, if you don't calculate them, Abi.
Yeah.
You don't
Once we talk the price, we will start work.
Okay. You first come measure the things we go enter.
Yes.
Okay. If na upstairs, okay.
If now upstairs, it's times 2 of the dropping.
Okay. Which is this?
Yes.
This particular one.
Yes.
You come be times 2.
Times 2 of the dropping.
Okay. Then what about if na a bigger house, maybe na the house with big past this one?
One thing is that we need to measure the house. So
Yes.
it's what we get, that is what we work with.
Okay. Now when you don't measure the house, now
Yes.
can't see the can. Okay. Now be say people can't give you small house. You just say that the same 270,000 where you take do this one, now you take do that one.
No.
Yeah. Okay, my country people, I say make I ask these questions. You say na strong material, na him see they use. Now only this kind of material na dey.
We have this one, the normal one where everybody they go for. So, but we have US standard.
Okay,
So,
US standard,
for
yeah.
instance, if this one is sold 4,000 naira, that one is times 2. That should be 8,000 naira.
US
So-
standard dey for this kind of material too.
Yeah. The difference between this one and that one is more. This one is rubber, while that one is plastic.
Okay.
So that one is made full of plastic, and another thing is that it easily reflects to light at night, like it is shine.
that one dey shine.
Yes. So that is it.
Okay. Oga, the black and the white for this water collector na the same money. One until they do am.
Yes. And the same money now we do it on.
Okay. Even if you say na white first you wan do or na black na the same money.
Yes. Now the quality now will be the different.
Okay. That other one we say na US
US
standard
standard.
na it different from this other one.
Yes.
Okay, my country people, I say make I ask, in case of those of una wey want do this kind of job, and you say na strong material,
Yes, a strong material.
not be material wey country people go use before you know you don't what rain don spoil and you don dey bend.
No.
Okay, my country people, I don carry una follow this house just now. I don see the things wey Oga do for here, the job as e take dey neat. I don see am. The job truly it dey neat, fine. You know if you use big money take build house, can't use better paint, take paint and finish, and you can't allow water to splash for the wall. So what you just need na to put this water collector for your house. If you put am, your house go dey fine. Even if say rain dey fall, you no go dey splash for the wall. You could just dey pass through this pipe, they come down, then it go dey flow out directly. Your wall go dey protected, because you no get house. You do and reach, say maybe rain don dey beat wall. Before you know, the wall go dey soak. So with this water collector, it go dey protect mucus, it go dey protect rain from beating, wey go dey take dey beat the wall of your house. Okay. Oga, na only Benin for dey do this work.
Yeah.
Okay, you know they go another place.
Yeah, if work still there outside the state, we still go.
Una still dey go.
Yes.
Okay. Oh yeah. Go come give country people your phone number and also your store address.
My phone number is 0811-590-3256. I repeat, 0811-590-3256. That is my WhatsApp number.
Okay.
Yeah. While the other number is 08051-310755. You can also contact me on that number.
Okay. And your address?
My address is in Okoromi by Estate Gates.
Okay. Okoromi community.
Yeah.
Along the tide road for Okoromi your store there.
Yes, I just along the town road before the town hall.
Before Okoromi town hall.
Yes.
Okay. My country people, Oga water collector number go dey display for the under for this video, while Edo CBC number go dey display for on top of this video. You want to do water collector, and you want make rain not dey beat your wall as rainy season dey come, so contact am. In number go dey the under for this video, while Edo CBC number go dey on top of this video. If you want give am work and you want make Edo CBC dey there to monitor am, contact us. Our number go dey on top of this video, so that we go fit monitor am and to make sure say e give una better quality service. My country people, if today na the first time when they come across this page, make una not forget to like, comment, and also share this broadcast. My country people, una do. My name is Siri Menig Minovia of Samojame, and I'm the report for Edo CBC.
I'm good to know.